Hello, this is Eric from the iManifold team.
And on this segment, we are going to complete working with our job that we started up. So right now we've got a system running, and we need a little fixing, of course. It's run a little bit high on the head side, a bit of an overcharge present. So we're taking a look at everything that we have going here. And on our vapor cycle, this is all of our information. Now we switch over here to the air side. There's our tonnage, supply return, outdoor air temperatures. We're going to go in here to our electrical and configuration. This is a package unit, single phase, 230 volt single phase. I'm going to take a little voltage measurement. Voltage and amperage in here. Take a look at our performance. And we're going to go ahead and continue our job and put in a test in here. This will give us a review of the measurements that we have. And it's going to ask us to verify to keep that test in or discard it. So we're going to save this test in. So as you can see here, we've got gauges and test in. Now if we want to, we can go down here and do a report right away with a test in. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go back to our gauges and do this little overcharge fix and take some other info here. I'm going to use manual data. So on here we've got 418 psi. I'm going to drop this down to 345. Take a look at our air side. Everything's good on our air side. We're going to go back in here to our electrical. And it's going to ask us to take another measurement to do the test out. Once we do a test in, that's kind of a before and after shot. So on the test out, I'm going to put our voltage back in here. Take a look at performance. I actually made it run a little bit better so we can do a test out and have a little comparison. So once all your information's in, you go ahead and go down to the bottom right and select test out. Test out, the review is right there so you can verify it, make sure everything's the way you need it to be, and go ahead and save that test out. And now we're set to do reports. So with this job entered into the system, we have a test in, we have a test out. We can add checklists if we like. We'll get into checklists on another module of this. But right now we can add photos as well, add some notes, and we can go right to a report. I'm going to go right to a report and show you right quick. So we open up reports. I'm going to just take a look at a basic iManifold report. We have a choice up on the top of measurements in or measurements out. We did both of them, so I'm going to go ahead and use measurements in on this one. As you can see down here, we also have the option to email directly from the application. So you can put in emails, you can add another email that report right now, or you can generate it right here and take a look at it. So we're going to generate this report, and we can take a look at it right here on our application. So as you can see, we've got the customer information up here up on top, date of service, what work did we perform. Here's company information, the job number. Here's me, I'm a field technician. These are all of our measurements. Look all the way down there, very nicely displayed, very professional format. There's your system information here, performance information, the model number and serial number of the system that you're working on here. Company logo will be right up here in the corner. All packaged up very nicely in a very professional report. So that's how to finish up a job there. We're going to go ahead and go into another module here very shortly and show you the different reports amongst a lot of other really cool things that we have for you here in iManifold. Thanks. We'll talk soon.